How do you create study guides with mind maps? Imagine turning a jumble of facts into a clear, colorful map that guides your learning. That's what creating study guides with mind maps is all about. It's a simple way to organize information visually and make studying more effective. First, pick your main topic or subject. Write it in the center of a blank page or open a digital mind mapping tool. This central idea is the core of your study guide. From there, draw lines outward to create main branches. Each branch stands for a big category or key point related to your main topic. Use different colors for each branch to make them stand out and help your brain distinguish between ideas. Next, add sub-branches to each main branch. These are smaller ideas or details that support the main category. Keep your labels short and to the point, using keywords or brief phrases. This makes it easier to remember and review later. Group related information together on these sub-branches. Think of it like chunking big topics into smaller, manageable parts. To make your mind map more memorable, include images, symbols, or color coding. Visual cues help your brain connect ideas faster than just reading text. Don't worry about making it perfect. Focus on clarity and speed so you can update it easily as you learn more. Review your mind map regularly and move branches around if needed. Rearranging helps you see connections you might have missed and improves your understanding. You can create these maps by hand with pens and paper or use digital tools like MindMeister or XMind. These tools let you drag and drop, change colors, and add images easily. When you follow these steps, you turn a complex subject into a visual guide that's easy to review and remember. It's a great way to organize your notes, reinforce what you learn, and stay focused during study sessions. Using a mind map as a study guide makes studying more interactive and less overwhelming, helping you retain information longer and prepare better for exams.